Hey folks, here's 5 things about Princess Cruises. Number 1, you know Princess was the love boat, but Gavin MacLeod was not the original captain. Who was it? Number 2, Princess introduced the Ocean Medallion back in 2017 as a wearable to replace sea cards. It's now standard across the fleet, allowing you to open your doors, pay for items, and exit and return to the ship. Number 3, Cook My Catch in Alaska. What? Yeah, you can go fishing on approved excursions both on land and during your cruise, and Princess chefs will cook the fish that you caught. Number 4, puppies in the piazza. In Alaska, dog sled puppies will come on board along with their handlers so you can learn more about these amazing animals and dog sledding. Number 5, Discovery at Sea. Princess has a partnership with Discovery, bringing you some unique facts and adventures in Alaska and featuring some shows such as Gold Rush, Panning for Gold, and Deadliest Catch. So who was the original Love Boat captain? Ted Hamilton in the original made-for-TV movie in 1976.